Hey, how are you guys? Today, just gonna simply show you how to install, and it's gonna be basically unboxing an Arris chassis, specifically channel 2122 transmitter, going into a chassis, I should say, an Arris chassis. Great product, very easy to work with. And, let's get to it. What they look like. Comes in a box like this. This is a transmitter, laser transmitter. And I already have it set up right here. So let's go ahead. First time, open the box carefully here, and you are going to get it up. You open it, you're going to see how it's cleverly packaged. It's unbelievable. You don't need a knife, you don't need anything. And you just unfold it. And it's going to allow you to release the plastic that was tightened on it. It's pretty cool. And very carefully remove that. Also, I don't know if they all come like this, but you see, gotta open these up. It's just folded on the end here. This is what a laser transmitter looks like. If you've never seen one before. Most broadband companies use. Internet service provider. Comcast. Throw that away. Very important on here is to locate this package. You can see right here. This is very important. You're going to need this later on. This is how you secure this transmitter in the chassis in the rear. They're just little tiny screws. It says TP, so I know it's the transmitter. It'll say RX. Obviously, it's the receiver. But today I'm just showing you the transmitter. I'm making this a real quick video. I'm going to go ahead and put this to the side, move this over, and show you. Here's the unit where I'm going to be installing it. As you can see, there's already existing transmitters. Some places, transmitters go on one half of the chassis, the receiver goes on the other half. And this particular node build, it's not like that. We're going to be integrating Arris transmitter, and we're going to be using Aurora for the receiver. Very interesting, because they communicate well with each other. So, first of all, I'm going to take off this cover here, just like that. Be careful, these are actual live nodes, fibers that are going in here. These are receivers on this half, transmitters are on the left half. What I like to do is make sure I got these fibers so I don't mess up with a nice little loose down here. Gives me an area to put this in. Go ahead and show you how I do that. The larger portion here always faces down. These prongs are all, see these pins here, all going to have to be put in. They're going to get plugged into the rear in the chassis as I slide it in. But it's pretty basic, as you can see. See how easy that slides in? You don't have to force anything. If you have to force it, you're doing it wrong. It should slide very freely. Now, once I get it in here, all the way to the back, go ahead and I like to put one finger over the Coax. This is what we do the testing, and over the Arris symbol itself, and you can hear it click. And that clicked right in, and the light is on, so we know that it's powered up and it's good. and it will turn red or yellow until I have everything balanced out. But in the meantime, this is me, Oki. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoy the video. And hey, please like and subscribe. I know it's not the best videos, but if you're in the business like I am and you work in head ends, I'm gonna have a lot of great videos to upcoming, post up here, and it'll keep me a little motivated. So like and subscribe and leave me a comment, whether it's good or bad. The videos will get better. Thanks. Have a good day.